Hello and welcome to today's quick review of the DAX, the German 40 stock index market. We had a real sharp drop when I did my stock market stock crash video. It was about a day or two later and the market just plummeted. It was far quicker than I expected, and I didn't particularly expect it to reach the lows that it did in that space of time. I was actually expecting it to be a much slower decline over, say, 3 to 6 months, but the market does what it wants to and it just powered down, and the timing was incredible. But now what we've got is, on the daily chart, we went 1, 2, 3 and then 4 days outside of the lower Bollinger Band, and then we've had a miraculous recovery with almost every candle since this one, apart from 1, 2, 3 being green. So it's one of the biggest bull runs I have seen in quite a long time, and we've actually come up to reach beyond the all-time highs from this big drop. So all-time highs were 18,924, aside from yesterday's trade, which reached 18,972. So very close to the big round 19,000 number. Now I do think that there's a good chance that they will hit this 19,000 clean whole round number at some point. But what we saw yesterday, I'm just about to zoom in. I'm on the 5-minute here. I'm just going to undo these. This is the R3 level, and it's the outermost level from yesterday's trading. And look at that rejection off the R3. So the outermost level basically hit it to the level, and then we've plummeted from there. So about 140 points. Perhaps you would have targeted the extreme gap there, which was filled during market hours though. So it wasn't necessarily a gap, but it was the level, and quite a big move. So over 100 points from this absolute level. So there wasn't any stop loss risk if you were able to get in on this wick. Incredible trade yesterday for anybody who was up at that time trading. As for today, I can't necessarily predict anything. There is a chance we'll go up and reach this close gap here, and I dare say that at some point we will hit the 19,000 mark. So perhaps the breakout long might be a bit of a target, and then I would hope that the market will turn around and give back some of those gains that it's given over this period. It's just a monstrous run up from that. It looks like a liquidity soak of basically all orders getting sold off, and then it's just soaked it all back up. So very interesting market conditions at the moment. We are coming up into that Christmas rally over the next sort of 3 or 4 months, but will we see a bit of a retraction before we hit that point? I'm not too sure. We are trading at all-time highs, given that a lot of the economy seems a bit uncertain at times. We've had a huge bull run, so just something to be aware of if you're not watching the larger time frames at all. Hope this video helps you out.